This is what I call the saddest story ever told. There was once a good and very wise father. He loved his children more than anyone has ever loved his children. They were dazzled by the cheap tinsel and glitz of the world away from home rather than the priceless gifts of their amazing father. By rejecting the gifts of their father, the children really rejected him. If the heavens weep over the wickedness of God's children, imagine the tears that flowed when God did not spare his only begotten and innocent Son. Were you there? Did you know? Did you weep? You see, he is not only Christ's Father, he is our Father too.